Welcome to MR Stenography. Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, while intervening in this debate, I would like to thank you, the honorable members who have contributed to this debate. Each and everyone has given words of praise for our armed forces. Stop. They have supported us. Stop. Not only they supported us, but they have urged that government should provide more funds for the defense forces. Stop. New para. As regards the parliamentary committee, which has been mentioned by some members, there was a recommendation, but it has not been accepted nor has it been rejected. Stop. We have started certain schemes and started implementation of these recommendations. Stop. Once these recommendations are implemented and once we have the feedback, then we would like to consider whether a parliamentary committee is at all necessary. Stop. But we can say at this stage that the government has neither rejected nor accepted the formulation of the parliamentary committee. Stop. New para. A mention has been made that army should not be deployed time and again for civilian ads. Stop. It is always the policy of the government, so also of the defense ministry, that we never encourage it unless it is absolutely necessary. Stop. The army has played a very good role in helping the civilian administration when they are called for at the time of natural calamities and for combating terrorist activities in various parts of the country. Stop. They have maintained good relations with civilian population of late. Unfortunately, there are some criticisms when army has been deployed in Manipur and Tripura, and I can tell that army has never involved itself in any activity other than those which they have been assigned for, that is countering the insurgency. Stop. We have seen that insurgency in Nagaland has been stopped. We have seen that after the army was inducted in Tripura, peace has not only come but the killings have been stopped. This is a good sign. Stop. Army has been assigned with the particular job and they are doing it. Stop. Not only that, when army goes to different remote areas, they take certain steps to develop better contact with the people. Stop. In Tripura, I myself have seen that the army has taken medical team along with their combat team and they have given medical aid to the people of that area. Stop. In addition to this, they have organized various activities, their thorough distribution of foodstuffs among the children, and they have also given nourishing food to the children. Stop.